Can you monetize WhatsApp status videos on YouTube? Let's get into the video and discuss in detail. Here I'm gonna explain about copyright claim, watch hours and monetization and much more. So stay tuned till the end. WhatsApp has 1.5 billion active users and every day people keep new status and some people add status every hour. So you can see how potential it is and how it can go viral easily. WhatsApp status videos are very popular. Even a single video will give you 1,000 subscribers and substantial amount of watch time. But what about monetization? WhatsApp status has its own drawback like copyright infringement, and from YouTube point of view, it's reused content. Usually a WhatsApp status video contains a popular cine music or a love status or a popular sports events. It is completely allowed you to keep it as a WhatsApp status, but when you upload the videos on YouTube and try to monetize, here comes the issue. Because most of the latest video songs are copyrighted. Even if you edit the music, the content ID will match and give you a copyright claim. When a copyright owner claims the video, all the revenue generated by that video goes to the content owner. It will not come to you. You might think, what about Creative Commons? If I use Creative Commons video, I will not get any copyright claims and I get monetized, isn't it? I doubt that. I will explain from my point of view about Creative Commons. 95% of the videos which you see in Creative Commons are not real Creative Commons. That's the bitter truth. Anyone can download a copyrighted video and re-upload it to YouTube under Creative Commons license. If you think that video in the Creative Commons license is real Creative Commons and you use it in your video, you will get a copyright claim or a copyright strike for sure. There are ways to find real Creative Commons videos. Even I did a video, but even if you find the real Creative Commons and use, YouTube might consider it as a reused content. You're gonna download the video footage and reused in your channel as it is. So from my point of view, even Creative Commons won't work until you make a significant change in the video other than the editing. And if you can show your originality in that 30 seconds, well and good. But if you change the voice or the music, it will break the integrity of that 30 seconds video. People like to keep WhatsApp status from the original videos, not from the edited ones. Now you will have a clear understanding about the copyright claims in WhatsApp status videos. Let's talk about the watch hours. Usually WhatsApp videos are 30 seconds long. For monetization, you must have 4,000 public watch hours. Just imagine how many videos you should make for 30 seconds. And approximately each video should get millions of views to achieve the targets. Another biggest challenge is if you make the video in the vertical format, YouTube will consider it as shorts. And unfortunately, the watch time gained by shorts are not calculated towards the monetization, but the subscribers will be intact. Shorts were introduced recently 6 or 7 months before. Even previous vertical format videos which are less than 60 seconds, YouTube consider it as shorts. So you can yield subscribers through the shorts but not the watch hours. Here you can see the official statement from YouTube. And I also made a detailed video on shorts. I leave the link in the description below. Please check it out. So far we saw the copyright claim and watch hours. Now we'll see about the reused content. If you need more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Recently, I saw a song, Enjoy Me, which crossed 50 million views. A lot of people kept the song on their WhatsApp status and even some kept as short videos in their YouTube channel. And also those videos went viral. But YouTube will consider the other channel videos as reused content because people just downloaded the video and cut a part of 30 seconds and uploaded into the video without adding any value. Most of them doing the same. They get a viral video and audio, edit it and compile together and just upload it to YouTube. Sorry to say, if you are practicing these strategies, your channel is at complete risk. One or the other day, your channel will get demonetized or your channel reached 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it might be rejected in monetization review. Let's check out the important part, monetization. Let me be very honest here. If you want to monetize the WhatsApp status through AdSense, the chances are very minimal because 99% of the channel are demonetized or rejected from monetization because of reused content. But there are other feasible ways to generate money from your channel. Let me explain those possibilities. If you get community tab on your WhatsApp status channel, then promote other people's video through your community tab and charge them. You can promote their video links for 24 or 48 hours and you can charge them accordingly. With WhatsApp status channel, there is less chance of getting brands and earning through them. But there are some app developers, they can approach you for promoting their apps and you can promote their apps and get paid. You can also do affiliate marketing with your channel. There are lots of apps on the Play Store which paid for referral links. So add your referral links in the description. Once people click on it and download the apps through your referral link, you can earn money. Create a blog or a website, drive the traffic from your YouTube channel to your blog and website. There also you can keep affiliate links and earn. You may ask about adding a link shortener or a URL shortener, but there is a heavy risk associated with it. Check out this video. If you wish to add a link shortener, do it on your own risk. Let me give you another solution here. What to do if you have already a WhatsApp channel and a good amount of subscribers? If you have a good amount of subscribers on your WhatsApp status channel, then start a new channel and make the original content. Then promote your new channel with your old channel through community tab and you can easily get subscribers and views. If you don't have the community tab, then make a new video without copyright, then slowly start deleting your old WhatsApp status. Once you delete all your videos, then you can apply for AdSense. There are 80 to 90% of chances you get monetization. Let me summarize about this WhatsApp status channel, and here I can see very few pros on this. You will get quick subscribers and views. The channel will go quickly without any efforts than the other channels. But I can see a lot of cons in this. Let me explain. You will get a copyright claim and a copyright strike. You are not eligible through AdSense program. There are chances of terminating your YouTube channel by YouTube because of copyrighted material. If your main purpose is to make money, then you are wasting your time and energy on creating a WhatsApp status channel. So that's it for today's video. Hope you understand the pros and cons, different ways of monetization other than AdSense. Please drop a like to this video, and if you want to see more monetization related content, please subscribe to the channel, share with your YouTube friends. We will see you in another informative video. Until then, stay safe.